I got something cool. You're not gonna believe it. You're not gonna believe it. Like, I'm gonna show you, but you're not. All right, let's get to it. Anybody else just be waiting in the car? Like, I can get out and go to work. I mean, obviously I can get out. It's my car, but like, I'm just sitting in the car right now. I have something I'm supposed to do, but I'm just like so anxious about it. Also, I can't believe it. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. This. I literally have been stalking this on the internet. And when I say stalking, stalking the tracking. Scissors. Listen. I feel like everybody's doing like super aesthetically pleasing videos when it comes to this. I'm probably not gonna do that. You don't even know. Come on. Listen. Everybody wants this. Oh, AI lamp. I want the AI lamp. You know why I want the AI lamp? Because my clients are in the light doing everything but having their hand the right way. Everything but having their hand the right way. Look. It's got another sticker. Oh, and excuse me. It's got a remote control. A remote control. I'm gonna calm down. New product smell. Oh, skin saver. It's got a little stick. I'll put this on the door. But also occurs to me that I'm gonna have to buy another one. I'm gonna have two, because I have at my desk at my desk I have two little sides where they can put their hands. Get out the way. Ew. Scan the code. Takes you to the manual. Also, they give you one here. Blah. Read this overview. Do I need to? You gotta go up to Wi-Fi. Oh my god. Look at the buttons. The buttons are crystals. Okay. What comes apart? Okay, this little bottom piece comes off. Okay, the battery's in here. And if you see my other lamps, it's so much gel in the other lamp. I don't know what they be doing in the lamps. You put, this lamp ain't that much better. Okay, that's cool. It's not like shiny. All right, listen. Look at the lamp. Look at the inside. You see this right here? Have you ever had a client put their hand in the lamp and their thumb doesn't cure on this part? It will now. Alright, let me chill out. This is where the battery goes, right there. Open faster. So, you can get rechargeable batteries. I did not get the rechargeable batteries, but you can get rechargeable batteries and put them in there. You can also just have the plug. And it's a little C plug. Oh, that's nice. Nice little cord. Let's look at the cord real close. Woven. Someone wove this around. Oh my god. The power button. Okay, for people who don't do nails, comparison. This is the inside of the lamp, right? See these? Look, gonna get it cured everywhere. I'm gonna show you the inside of my current lamp. Excuse all the gel polish. Not a single light bulb on this part. All right? Who does this? The clients. I be wiping it out, but you know, after it's cured, it's cured. All right, so here, look. Look how many more lights. Need I say more? The game literally just officially changed. All right, so let's plug this thing in. Oh wait, got a remote. It's got a remote. Imagine. Should I take my hand out? No. Let me hit the remote. All right, it's got a special little information card in there too. Cool. Oh my god, it charges with the same little cord too. Listen, top coat, builder gel, 75 seconds, color gel, and base coat gel. What? I probably am gonna have to like look at the directions. I'm gonna have to scan the thing and look at the directions. But until then, swing, pop, beep. Oh my god. It's plugged in. It's plugged in. Lights. It's lighting up. Oh, starting.
Hey, our AI target nails. Keep skin cell from.
Not my lamp talking to me. Not my lamp talking to me. So you can use a plug or you can get the extra battery packs. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and read the directions and then I'll come back and tell you what it says. Okay, so here's what I'm noticing. You put your hand on a light, it can keep its skin safe, right? So it's actually, if you look, it's only using the lights where my actual fingers are. Let's look inside the lamp. So where my actual fingers are, that's where it's on. If your nails ain't there, it ain't on. Now, it does say if you connect it to, so all the bulbs ain't lit up at the top. It does say like if you connect it to the Wi-Fi, it'll learn better like where it's supposed to be. Look over here for the pinky. Look for the pinky. All right, listen. All right, so I'm gonna say this because look how much light we're seeing on each fingernail. If you do nails, let's try it with press-ons. You probably want this. Let's see how it does when I'm doing the press-ons, because sometimes I have an issue in my current lamp with it not hitting all the edges, so it doesn't detect the hand. So let me just turn the light on in general. Look, it's saying okay, we only need the top. And then let's look on the little screen. Place the nails a bit further in. It said, listen girl, you're not in there good enough. Oh, when I moved it, more of them lit up. Also, that's a game changer for my press-on nail makers. Yeah, so if you do nails, I'm gonna suggest that you cop this. They did give me a cute little code, get an additional $20 off. You can use it on this or on the e-file. Notice how the lights are literally just coming on when it detects something there. So that's going to reduce burnout on your lamps also, because it's only doing it where it detects lamps. And look at this little one up here. Okay, let me take this out. Put this in here. It's only lit up where the nails actually are. So I don't have to worry about, and my client doesn't have to worry about overexposure to their skin. And then you can see on the little screen. So if your clients be in the lamps doing, it'll beep and tell you, hey, you're not doing the right thing.